Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this glitter gold text effect animation in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to create content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So just closing this page. So I already opened the new project. As you can see, this is a standard YouTube style, YouTube size video Canva. So the first thing what we need to add the text. Doing the same, put this royal, increase the size, and select like the horizon again, like this font type. And we also go need the elements, and we need the chrome again, and just increase the bit to here, moving down the text and moving the crown to here, closer to the text, like this. Yeah. And the only thing what we need to download this as a PNG, the best quality as possible, and we need to add the glitter effect, layer, bring it to front. And actually, how you can find this, just need to search for glitter gold, go into graphics or photos, and you can find lots of different. Maybe delete this and change with this. Over this with any what we would like to use. Layers, bring to front. This one is not so nice. Maybe this one is even better. Yeah, let's try with this. Okay, so also download is the same as was before. And we can add the new page, delete this and this, and just upload the two images. The important thing, the two image supposed to be the same size. This is why I hit the whole Canva with this glitter gold and save it. So now we go to the app section here on left side, and searching for, we need to searching for, sorry, of course, blend image. Sorry, my mind was a bit stuck. So we need this blend image. The blend mode has to be screen. You select this, select the other one, and now we have this image. So we can delete this middle one and add this image to here. And for a transition, we just need to move the hovering the mouse between the two pages and add transition, match and move, increasing the time. And now we already have this beautiful transition. In the other video, I made other small trick, just remove the background. In this case, we can add the shadow, we can add an outline, and I just reuse the size to to very thin, like 8, and it looks much better, this final outcome. Yeah, of course, this one is not jumping like that's happened in this video. It's supposed to be also a slower transition, not always happening in this online editor. Now you can see it's properly, it's working nicely. So this is how we can create this glitter gold text, or even animate, not only text, you can see any other elements like the crown, and can be animated from just from the normal black to this glitter gold, which is a really nice thing. So now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section, first of all, to feed the algorithm and let me reach more and more people with my tutorials. And of course, if you're struggling anything in a Canva or just have any question in Canva, just let me know in a comment section, and I will answer it as soon as possible. Please also check the description of the video where you can find links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages, where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in a Facebook page. And of course, in the TikTok and Instagram pages, you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I'd already mentioned, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.